ये जगह है who has I have known her. Please come, Mehak. Where's your daughter? Please get her.
I want to say something. People used to say father, son run the business. Now it's got to be mother, daughters who run the business.
Who run the show. So yeah, please, Mehak, please come. Mehak and her daughter.
Yes.
Ikra, please,
Come,
please.
come.
Yes,
Come,
I would. सो महक इज़ अ पर्सन हु जिनकी ये जगह है और मैं महक को पिछले 10 साल से जानती हूँ. इनफैक्ट बड़ा स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप रहा है महक के साथ. जब मैं प्रेग्नेंट थी तब मुझे बड़ा मन कर रहा था कि मैं बेकिंग सीखूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत क्रेविंग होती थी खाने की. तब शी वॉज द वन हु शी वॉज रनिंग क्लासेस फ्रॉम होम एंड आई कॉल्ड हर अप एंड आई सेड मैं आना चाहती हूँ. तो आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली ओवरवेल्म्ड टू सी अ लेडी. वो घर से अपने बच्चे, तब ये बहुत छोटी थी, इनका बेटा भी छोटा था, उनको पढ़ाई उनको करवा रही थी, उसके साथ साथ ये हमें सिखा रही थी केक बेकिंग कैसे करनी है. सो मेरे बहुत अमेजिंग मेमोरीज रहे हैं. तो जब ये एंथम मैंने सोचा कि करना है तो शी वॉज डेफिनेटली वन पर्सन.
Thank you so much.
एंड टुडे यू कैन सी आज वहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो सफ़र इन्होंने किया है.
It's been a journey, and without my support of my family and my students and my entire team, this wouldn't have been possible. And yes, it's a very proud moment to have all of you here. It's an achievement in that. And yes, it's been a journey, and it's been a really privilege to work with so many women, to teach so many women from all walks of life. And yeah,
I'm so happy.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Please, Aarti, come. That's Dr. Aarti Oria, who has been, what do I say? She's been a family member and she has been a very acclaimed acupuncturist, medical dietitian, Ayurvedic dietitian and all of that. So it's again a very difficult line to be in क्योंकि एक्यूपंक्चर लोग शायद उतना नहीं जानते लोगों को उसके बेनिफिट्स के बारे में. सो शी इज़ स्ट्राइविंग वेरी हार्ड फॉर पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन इज़ अ वेरी इंटीग्रल पार्ट. स्पेशली नाउ कोरोना के बाद ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो
यस, एंड आई एम ऑनर्ड कि सही ने मुझे इस वीडियो में लिया बिकॉज in this field practicing over 20 years and trying to strike the balance between कि पर्सनल लाइफ है हमारी, ये प्रोफेशनल लाइफ है, डिज़ायर्स, पैशन, ये सब कुछ फॉलो करते करते वो जो एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करना पड़ता है एक औरत को, वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. और सही का ये जो ट्रिब्यूट है वो उन सारी औरतों के लिए है जो अपने आप को प्रूव करना चाहती है कि हम भी कुछ है, हमारा भी कुछ अस्तित्व है इस दुनिया में. एंड दैट इज़ रियली अ बिग थिंग. एंड हर द टैगलाइन इटसेल्फ, वर्शिप द वुमन विद इन. आई लव दैट बिकॉज इट रियली होल्ड्स सो मच ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंस फॉर द एवरी वुमन दैट शी ओनली नोज व्हाट शी गोज थ्रू एंड what does it mean for her to worship the woman within. So thank you so much, Sahi, from all the people, all the women around the world must be, after seeing this song, they will everyone will definitely say that thank you, Sahi.
thank you. They'll say worship the woman within.
Worship the woman within.
Thank you. Please, Michelle, come. Please come. Michelle is somebody who has been in the hair industry for more than
22 years.
22 years, which is a big journey, and you've seen everything evolve. You have, so please tell me how it has been for you in this industry. So many years.
When I decided to be a hairstylist, it was, I remember I was told, you want to be a barber? That's what you want to be. And when you see today's time, some of the best hairstylists are women. And I'm proud to be one of them. And it's a big thank you to the team, to Suraj, to Sai, for having me here. One thing I must say, being from a salon industry, we have a lot of women who come to the salon. And when you speak to a woman, the first thing she'll say, oh, I'm too fat. Oh, I've turned too dark. Oh, I've put on so much weight. I'm not looking myself. But when I heard this song, worship the woman within, khud ko farishton mein gin. It is so true. We are the ones who give birth. We are the hand that rocks the cradle, and we rule the world. That's as simple as that. So
Wow. Absolutely. Please come. करेक्ट है,
right.
एंड बहुत सारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट मतलब वो करते हैं, ऑर्डर्स लेकर, बल्क ऑर्डर्स लेकर सप्लाई करते हैं. एंड आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, एक घर में ऑल ऑफ देम टुगेदर, शी इज़ एन आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ कोर्स, एंड दिस मदर डॉटर डुओ ये करते हैं. इट्स जस्ट सच अ ऑनर टू सी, गो होम एंड सी, एंड दे सो वार्म. तो प्लीज़ आप आज कुछ बात नहीं करते, आज कुछ बोल ही दो थोड़ा सा कि आप कैसे शुरुआत की आपने.
एक्चुअली ना ये मेरी डॉटर बहुत स्मॉल छोटी सी थी, नर्सरी में एक ने क्रिएटिव सर्टिफिकेट उसको मिला, तो मुझे लगा ओके, फिर एवरी ईयर मिलने लगा, तो फिर सारे पेरेंट्स के आप बहुत क्रिएटिव है, तो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ये वर्ड सुना क्रिएटिव, क्या है
How
क्या
sweet.
क्रिएटिव वर्ड मैंने सुना ही नहीं कुछ, आप बहुत क्रिएटिव पेरेंट हैं। फिर मैंने एक हैंडीक्राफ्ट का एक 1 ईयर का डिप्लोमा कोर्स किया, फिर मैंने क्रिएटिविटी में, अब मुझे पता चलता है कितनी और क्रिएटिविटी है दुनिया में। फिर मैंने छोटे छोटे बच्चों को क्रिएटिविटी सिखाया, क्रिएटिव आर्ट, ड्राइंग, क्राफ्ट, स्कूल के प्रोजेक्ट सिखाते हैं हम लोग। तो लास्ट 10 ईयर्स से हम लोग ये इस फील्ड में हैं, बस थैंक्स टू सूरज एंड थैंक्स टू साई मैम कि हम लोगों को इतना अच्छा फील हो रहा है। मैं कह रही थी इतना ऑनर फील हो रहा है, बिकॉज मुझे लग रहा है ये तो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट टीचर है, हटाओ, मतलब इतनी अहमियत नहीं, बट ऐसे लग रहा है कि हमारी भी इतनी अहमियत है, इतना अच्छा फील हो रहा है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, अरे of course. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप
you.
फीचर, और आज स्पेशली आप आए।
थैंक यू। इट्स ऑनर।
एंड नाउ द एक ही बचा है हमारा जो मेन चीफ, दो देर आर 2 more people who are very very instrumental in making it happen. One is Parul and one is Suraj. Suraj ko मैं, he's the only guy who is going to, of course, Kriya, I forgot. So I'll start again. There are 3 people who are very important to me in this thing. One is a kid to me. The other one who's been a very very old friend, and what do I say about her? She has always been there for everything. हर चीज़ मेरी ज़िंदगी की, you know, my father's death, she's been there. She's been there for everything. So she, and then the man behind
all these women.
these things, except for my husband who's busy shooting so he couldn't come, has been Suraj, who's been like a complete, what do I say,
सूरज है तो
the
रोशन
backbone to all of us.
सूरज के बिना तो हो नहीं सकता।
हो नहीं सकता. So I would want to call, first I want to call Parul. Please Parul, come here. And I shall, no. Okay, Suraj, first you come, then you will come. Suraj. The man behind.
all these women.
All of them.
Common man behind all the women.
Absolutely. So Suraj, what do you want to say?
Nothing at all.
Worship the woman with you.
Absolutely.
Say something. Say something.
What do you feel?
You have to say
I
something.
feel glad to be a part of this. I mean, Sai and me have been really, really old friends, so I'm pretty much game for everything she wants to do. Good, bad, ugly, we jump into it together. So this is what it got us. This is only the beginning, so there's lots more.
Experience been, making this song, you know, all have put in so much of efforts and,
Crazy.
I think it was a lovely experience because when we started off, we really didn't know where we were heading.
We were starting off somewhere different.
Yeah, there were multiple ideas that bounced
With a drone
all
and big
over,
shots
and
and
we
all
wanted it
over.
to be larger than life, and then we didn't even know where we were getting the song from. And then finally, I think the tagline that Sai thought of absolutely gave us direction, and that's where all of this just fell into place. Rockstar.
And of course, I want to mention Parleen. Parleen is not here today. Parleen Gill, he's an ex-Indian Idol. And Parleen sang the song and he composed the song, wrote the song. And he has been an absolute treat because he has been helping us and he's been there more than just a singer and a composer. So it's great. Because of this anthem, I think we have connected with a lot of people. That's the best part about it. And Kriya, please
Come.
Kriya is. I only had told her.
Come.
Kriya is
Kriya is the new
glue
entrant.
that keeps us.
New entrant in the,
The
Purple
glue
Morning.
which sometimes water falls on the glue. Water has to be sapped. Again, the glue takes it.
The newest kid in
the
Purple
newest kid.
Morning movies.
Yes.
And we are very proud of her
Very
and
proud
she's
of her.
extremely hardworking and doing very well. So Kriya's papa, when you see this, please give a pat on her back.
Yes.
And drop you rocks.
Yes, absolutely. And
What will I say?
no, say.
Say.
Say
All these
papa.
days-
Make Papa
I
proud.
love
One
Papa,
sec.
mama.
All these days our training is going to go waste. Say something. Stand here and say.
Yes, Kriya.
So, I don't know, I mean, I've known Sai ma'am for more than 3 years. And I was a complete fan that turned into a kid for her. And it's been quite a journey. I've gone through many things that I have, only I know that she doesn't know, I haven't told her much. but I love her. She's a quarter of my heart.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
And a huge thank you to Shabni ma'am, Suraj, and Sai ma'am for teaching me so much. I've been learning from day one. This is technically my first job. And yeah, so let's make this rock.
And there's a common statement. Where's Kriya?
Where's Kriya? And the lady. This is not right.
We'll just do a picture together.
This is not right.
Parul, you have to say a few words.
Parul has been like, what do I
Parul feels
say?
nobody looks as good as Suchita.
हाँ इसीलिए everyone is looking bad next to
So we
her.
just do a picture, Kaushal, that's it.
नहीं कौशल आप रिकॉर्ड कर लो
keep rolling, Parul, please say a few words.
कौशल कौन है कौशल आपको कौशल रिकॉर्ड करना तो बनता ही है
Yeah, Sai.
पारुल प्लीज से समथिंग
Okay, so this is a wonderful initiative, Sai. So kudos to you for putting this together, giving recognition to every woman around, and you've recognized the pain, the hard work, and as Aarti very correctly said, everybody is going to be proud of you. So are we.
Thank you so much.
How nice.
So let's do the signature step, everyone. I think we need to do that. Please put the music and let's all do the signature step. Parul, you too. What happened? No problem.
पापा को एक छोटा रोल दे देंगे.
पापा अपने आप को रजनीकांत समझते हैं.
थोड़ा इसको आगे कर दो.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
इसको वर्शिप द वुमेन.
नहीं, अब तो सबको वंडर
अब तो सबको पता चल गया, सबने वीडियोस देखा हुआ है. थोड़ा सा आगे.
पहले क्या सब सल्यूट.
कौन सा राइट कौन सा लेफ्ट.
1, 2, 3.
तेरे ही तो कदमों पे खिलती है दुनिया, मिलती है खुशियाँ, तू है जहाँ.
थोड़ा आगे जाके ना वो आगे करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. लेकिन आगे हाँ बस परफेक्ट बस. हाँ या ओके. वर्शिप द वुमेन.
अरे and you're all following you.
I did that. I followed you.
Okay. No, I did this. I was like,
Okay. This is so bad. Sorry.
Chalo, ready? 1. Wait, I'll now say. 1. I'll say that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1.
you're all going all over.
No, we went all wrong.
मेरा boomerang लगेगा, सब अलग अलग.
Okay, we'll go what we did. Suraj, 1, 2, 3.
ये बंद करो. ये
One can be able to follow that.
wait, darling. Wait, 1 करो.
Okay. And
Yeah.
ready. Into the camera.
1.
No, you say 1, 2, 3 first and then
say
start.
1 only.
हाँ, okay. Ready. No, not
Achha,
that.
1, 2, 3, ready. Say 1, not that.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.